Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Not My Shop. Today, we're attempting some paintless dent repair. This is my 2005 GMC Sierra 1500 Z71, and this is a Kubota forklift. It's not mine, unfortunately, but we're going to use it. The goal with this truck has been to get the LS powertrain out. I bought this for about what a running LS goes for. Problem is, the LS is no longer sitting on its mounts, and it's kind of being sandwiched there by the body. So I think, clearly, the logical solution here is just remove the body, and then you can get the meaty goodness inside. It's like eating crabs, or having crabs, or getting crabs. So this truck was caught in a tornado and rolled a few times, so we're just going to recreate that. These underbody inspections are getting really intense these days. But hey, at least now we can see what we're dealing with. I love the jaunty angle that the powertrain is sitting at. I can't even conceive of what this is supposed to look like. I mean, I assume it's supposed to be over here-ish.
Yeah, just up this way. You can see where the...
Okay.
Would have sat.
At least nothing looks actually broken. Just, well, other than that. Oh no. Oh.
Is it cracked?
Yeah, well, it broke an ear, a mounting ear off of the transmission.
Well, that is...
Which is not the end of the world.
I was going to say, that piece just bolts on, and I actually think I have one.
Oh, okay. Look at the motor mount. That's amazing. Wow. What's the other one look like?
You pay what you pay for the truck for a new case for that transfer case.
Yeah, I'm sure. The rest of this thing looks,
pretty immaculate, actually.
pretty okay. Oh, cool. Yeah, go for it. Oh, it's fixed now. Man, it really is easy to work on like this. So, looks like it's just these 621s and the cab comes off. I always enjoy an opportunity to use my favorite tool, especially on these big boy 21-inch fasteners. Oh. Okay. Well, that's basically nothing. You know what they say about chrome sockets on an impact? Because I don't. Oh yeah, so in the last video, a whole bunch of you tried to guess what I was doing with this truck. A few of you got it right, but one of you got it so right that I need to send you something. So I'll get a hold of you sometime around the release of the video after this one, because that was genuinely impressive. Okay, last one. Here we go. Get ready to run. Get ready to run. That was anticlimactic. Let's hit it with something heavy.
It's like a forklift?
I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. Well, let's tear it apart. Rip and tear.
No, it's right here.
Oh,
You can see it bolt, the bolt right here underneath the corner there.
Oh, well, that's easy to get to.
It's you and Jay.
Oh, you know, the most ridiculous 7mm socket setup you've ever seen. Yay!
Proud of you, Jay.
It's an engine harness.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, there is brake lights and stuff. I kind of forgot about that. Are we having fun yet? Shift cable. Well, finally, since getting this truck for the first time, we can actually get a good look at everything. Looks like there was a little bit more damage. The valve cover bolts are actually bent and the whole valve cover is offset. That coil broke. Of course, the steering shafts are all completely toasted. And motor and trans mounts. And then that should be pretty much everything the engine and trans needs to actually work again. And then we can proceed to do projects with them. Sierra Superleggera. I don't hate it. I'd drive the hell out of it. Maybe with a helmet. Or something. Thanks for watching. Okay.